Now unconditional goto. Goto is a looping statement. Loop means that repeats itself. So unconditional goto means that has infinite number of repetitions. That means you cannot control the repetitions. Unlimited repetitions. That is unconditional goto. Now one program I am writing, CLS a equal to 1. Number 1 is assigned to variable 1. Start. After that a colon is given. This type of statement means it is a label. Now what is label? I am telling now. Print a. First of all it will print the value of a, that is 1, because 1 is contained within a first. Then it will increment the value of a by 1. A equal to a plus 1 means 1 is stored in a. 1 plus 1 it will become 2. Then the value of a will be updated with 2. Now the value of a has become 2 after executing this statement. Then it will come to goto statement. Go to start. Go to start means it will go to this label. Label means a marking point, nothing but a marking point. That means here it is the marking point label. So when this statement is executed, it tells the computer to go to this point. In the program it will search for this label. In the whole program it will search for this label named start. Wherever it will find the label start, from there again it will start executing the program. So now the value of a has become 2. Previously it has already printed 1 in the screen. Now it has become 2. So it will print now 2. Then after that, now the current value of a is 2. So it will add 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 will be stored in a. So the updated value of a will be 3 now. Again it will go to the start. It will search in the program the label start. It will find it here, and from here again it will start executing the program. But it will not go to here a equal to 1, because start, the label start is found here. That means it will start the repetition from this line, not from here. After this label it will start the repetition of the program again. For that reason I have given the a equal to 1 in the top of this label, so that we can initialize the variable a with 1 at the first. If I give after this label a equal to 1, then all the time it will print 1, 1, 1, 1 like that. So you can see that a repetition will be created, and it will go on printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this unlimited number of times. There is no way to stop it automatically. You have to externally stop it or forcibly stop it from the keyboard by control break or control pause option. Now it was unconditional goto, that means unlimited repetition. Now we will limit the repetition. That means as per the requirement of the user, as per our requirement we can control its repetition, and so comes the conditional goto. Here we will put a condition with the goto statement so that we can control its number of repetitions, and for that we will use the if then statement with the goto. Same program, only in place of this goto statement I have used a condition here. If a less than or equal to 10, then go to this label name start. That means here you can see unlimited, it is printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, unlimited number of times going on like this, 13, 14 like that. But here when it will come to 10, it will again go to start. It will print 10 here, then it will update the value again. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 will be stored in a. Then it will check if a less than equal to 10. Now 11 less than or equal to 10. False. This is not true. 11 is not less than not equal to also. So this statement is false. So it will now not go to start. If this statement is true, then only it will go to start. But this statement has become false now because 11 is neither less than nor equal to 10. So it will come to end and it will print the numbers from 1 to 10. So by this way we can limit the number of repetitions in our program.